Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmy Lou Arts, and today I'm going to be planning this coming week in my Mystics Little Gifts Pocket TN. It's my 8-string Chunky Monkey with the extra wide spine, and I'm going to use a autumn TN kit, pocket kit from Shine Sticker Studio. So stick around because this turned out to be one of my very, very favorites. So I like to remove my weekly insert. These are printable inserts from Annie Plan's Printables, and I just made them at home, and it's a little pocket weekly vertical layout. Very simple. I love vertical layouts, and I take it out of my TN to plan just because it's a lot easier. And this is the fall, oh my gosh, the fall pocket kit that I got. I actually got the Hobonichi Weeks kit that matches that. So I have enough stickers that I could use it for a couple weeks, which makes me so thrilled. So this is the kit that I'm using, and just look at that. Look at the little star with the apple bottom. Oh my God, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So even though it's a pocket kit, I do end up trimming a lot of these kits down because the layout that I've chosen for my printable is really, really narrow. So, but it always works. I love it when it's kind of full. So I just trim the days of the week and I put them over that, and then I just kind of line them across the top. And it works really well when I trim them. It doesn't bug me at all. And I just love these colors. I am absolutely in love. And then I save the apples that were connected to them and then just put it below. And that's where I'll write the days of the week. And just like in my last video, I decided to use the Zebra Sarasa 0.7 in Mahogany because it's so beautiful. That pen just matches this kit perfectly. Oh, that weekend banner with the little leaves, I put that over Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And that actually works really well for me because I work this weekend, and my work weekends are Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so I kind of group them together in my mind, so that worked well. And then I'm just using a big, what would that be, a half box? I'm not really sure. And then I pulled in some of my own washi tape. This was from an autumn washi tape kit from last year. I believe, yeah, from Michael's. And it's like the, I always confuse herringbone and houndstooth. I might have been calling it herringbone and it might be houndstooth. I'm not sure. But I made little banners, just cut triangles at the end of those pieces, and made that, just used one sticker to mark my work weekend using that zebra pen in that beautiful color. And then I brought in a lot of that houndstooth washi because I just thought it looked so cute with this kit. It just matched perfectly and looked so cute. And the pocket kits don't come with bottom washi, which is fine with me because I have a lot of washi tape, and this just happened to work really well. I was kind of out of frames in this. It gets better, so sorry about that. On Tuesday, I'm putting down a box. If you turn them vertically, they actually fit in those vertical columns just perfectly. And if it doesn't have something on it that you would tell that it's vertical, then it's perfect. But I just used that box to mark that Michael was off of work and that his grandfather's burial, where they take his ashes and put them in with his wife at Fort Snelling in Minnesota, that's on Tuesday. So he was going to go up for that. And then I marked down with another box on Monday, Addie's ballet. And then I used one of those little bow, I think they're supposed to be divider headers, but I used it to mark her ballet class on Thursday. And then I actually cut the apple off of one of the apple checklists to mark Henry's karate class on Tuesday evening. So I also use those as little markers too, not just boxes. So it really makes the kit stretch a really long way, and I like that a lot. I ended up moving down my weekend washi strips and the box so that I could add things on top of it because I had stuff going on Saturday. And it all peeled up really nicely. Sometimes on this paper that I use to print them, it doesn't peel up very well, but that actually worked really well. And then I'm using that apple box, but I decided to turn it. And I don't really care that the apple's on its side. It kind of looks like maybe it like fell out of a tree and it landed that way. And I'm writing that this weekend we have our brownie troop is going to a girls in aviation event on Saturday morning from 9 to noon. So I wanted to remember that. And then I cut off a little apple from the list again to mark Addie's tumbling class on Sunday at 4:30. Like I said, this pen, that mahogany color, it's perfection for like this seasonal, it's really pretty. And then I'm using the little icon stickers that come with the pocket kit for grocery shopping and meal prep that we do on Sundays a lot. And then garbage days, Thursday. And then I had this perfect space open for that beautiful Hello Autumn. Oh, it's so pretty. And then I decided to move down that box that I had put where Michael was off. You can see I actually wrote on the paper first, and then I hated how it looked, so I covered it with a box. And then I wanted to mark coffee with my mom and dad, so I just decided to put a long box along the top to kind of mark 9 a.m. coffees, because I usually go multiple times a week. And then I just butted it up against that, so it hid the gross handwriting. And then I took a little coffee cup from my coffee weekly planning kit that I got from Kawaii Stickers. Every time I get it wrong, you guys. The Kawaii one at Michael's. I had a little coffee cup left that actually matched so perfectly, so I just put that next to the little vertical box and then wrote 9 a.m. coffee. One of the favorite parts of my day, you know. And let's see, what else do I do? I'm putting in an Apple checklist here just to kind of mark times that I wanted to get a lot done on Monday. I'm in a decluttering like streak. I'm so excited. So the playroom I'm tackling Monday, and then I'm marking that on Wednesday I'm going to work on the basement playroom. So those just have, there's so many toys that need to be gone through. So, and then I'm using another vertical box for Friday morning, which I hope to film or edit so that I have things ready to upload when I have fast internet at work. It's really handy. I just go to the hospital because that's where I work, and they have really fast wireless internet. And I just have videos ready to upload and then get that all done while I'm working. That's handy. That's a good tip for you guys that struggle with internet problems. If you have a hospital nearby, just go sit in the cafeteria and log onto their Wi-Fi, and your videos will upload in 5 minutes. Doesn't matter how long the video is. And then I'm just writing the days of the week, and that's it. And this is my fave, you guys. This gives me all the fall feels, and I'm in love with it. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I hope it starts to cool down. Bye.